Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to complete the graphic organizer for conveying the theme in Bud, Not Buddy. You will be doing the same thing using the same thing but on different chapters. So our theme is, persevere through challenging times. So let me highlight this. This is our theme, and I'm going to be looking at chapters 11, 12, and 13. So in the first column, we need to write the gist of the detail or event, including the chapter and page number. And then on the right-hand column, we need to explain what the writing technique does Curtis use to convey theme as shown in the detail or event. So I'm going to start with chapter 11, page 116, rule number 29. Since I'm just writing the gist, I'm not writing the entire rule. I'm just writing the gist, the main point of which his rule is about. So this rule allows Bud to get as much information as he can about situation he gets into. So then I'm going to go over here and what writing technique does Curtis use to convey the theme as shown in the detail or event? So this piece of evidence is an example of Curtis developing the theme, through the rule. All right. Another example in chapter 12, page 133, rule number 8. Bud shares this rule when Lefty gets pulled over by the police. This rule helps Bud get away from a bad situation or bad news that he is about to be told. It might also help him prepare for bad news. All right, so this is another piece of evidence. I'm just going to do a copy and paste where he uses the rule to convey the theme of persevere through challenging times. So now let me find one that is not a rule, because not everything is going to be a rule that Bud uses in these things. So let's look at chapter 13, page 159. Steady and Thug are talking to Bud. And you all haven't gotten this far, but you will be reading this week. So Steady and Thug are talking to Bud. He tells them his mom died and that his eyes don't cry anymore. They tell Bud he is all right. Bud has to be tough around folks. All right. So this piece of evidence is an example of Curtis developing the theme through dialogue and beating the band. So these are your expectations to find examples of how Bud perseveres through challenging times. You'll give the gist about the detail or the event, and then you explain what technique Curtis uses to convey the theme. And remember, the different techniques that authors use is in the video that has been provided. So if you need to go back and rewatch the video, please do so that you can fill out this chart correctly. Okay, so what you will be doing next, you will have a document in your Nearpod. Let me open up the correct document. That looks like this, but it'll be for chapters 8, 9, and 10.